Max 5th Standard Term 3 Numbers. So now exercise 2.1. There are 27 girls and 38 boys in a class. Find the sum and estimate the sum to its nearest tens place. So we have to find the sum. What is sum? If it is sum, we have to add the numbers. So how to write the statement problem as solution. Number of girls is equal to 27 and number of boys equal to how many number of boys? It is 38. So total number of students in the class, total number of students equal to, we have to add this. If find the sum, if it is sum, we have to add it. So first from units place, 7 plus 8 is 15, so 5 and carry out here, and now there are 65 students in a class. So this is, we are going to do it in the estimated way. So estimated value, or you can write estimated value. So now number of girls is 27. We have to round it off to, if it is 7 in the units place, we can write it as 30. If it is 8, we can round it off. It is 38, then 39, 40. So we have to add it. So estimated value is 70 and the actual value is 65. So actual value is equal to 65 and estimated value is equal to 70. So this is how we have to do the statement problems and compare the actual value and the estimated value. So next, exercise 2.1, third problem is, if the cost of a geometry box is rupees 53 and the cost of a notebook is rupees 36, then estimate their cost to its nearest tens place and find the sum. Also find the difference between the estimated value and the actual value. So the cost of a geometry box is rupees 53. The cost of a notebook is 36. Here we have to find the estimation of the cost to its nearest tens place. So we have to find the actual value and the estimated value, and then we have to find the sum. We have to, if it is sum, we have to add it. So add the cost of geometry box and the cost of notebook. So let us write solution. Cost of a geometry box equal to, so here it is actual value and here estimate value. Okay, so actual value is rupees 53 and the estimate value, if you see the 3's place, then we have to go backward. 52, 51, 50. Next, cost of a notebook. Cost of the notebook is rupees 36. So here rupees, if you should see the units place, it is 6. So 37, 38, 39, 40. Now the sum of their cost. So total cost. Total cost is, we have to add it. So first let us add the actual value. 3 plus 6 is 9 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is how much? It is 89 rupees. And here it is 09. So estimated value is bigger than the actual value. In the question, after finding the total cost, we have to find the difference. If it is difference, we have to subtract the estimated value from the actual value. So we have to find the difference. So difference means we have to subtract the both answers. So difference is estimated value minus actual value. So why I am writing the estimated is because estimated value is bigger. So rupees 90 minus rupees 89. So the answer is, so how much is the difference there? It is rupees 1. So 90 minus 81, 89 is 1. So the difference is 1 rupee. So estimated value is 1 rupee greater than the actual value. So this is how we should do the statement problems. If it is difference, we have to minus. If it is sum, we have to add it. You should remember that. Is it clear, children? Thank you. So next, exercise 2.1, fifth sum. The cost of a pen is rupees 32. Find the cost of 6 pens and estimate it to its nearest tens place. So the cost of 1 pen is rupees 32. So 1 pen is 32. What is the cost of 6 pens? So what will you do here? You will add or subtract or multiply or divide. So there is no sum or difference anything here. So this is not addition or subtraction. Then what it is? If we are going to buy a pen of rupees 32, you want 6 pen. So what is the cost? 1 pen cost of a pen. 1 pen cost is 32. So 6 cost of 6 pens equal to, what will you do here? You have to multiply. If they have given the cost of one thing and to find many, you have to multiply. Okay. So rupees 32 into 6. So 3 2s are 12. 3 6 are 18. 18 and here it is 1. 18 plus 1, it is 19. So the cost 6 pence is rupees 192. So here we have to round it off to its nearest tens place. So this one, it is estimated value. Estimated value. So 92, if it is 2, we have to go backward. 91, 90. So it is 190. So the value, cost of 6 pence is 190 in the estimated value. So it is lesser than the actual value. So it is clear, children? So next problem is 8th sum in exercise 2.1. 132 peanut candies are shared equally with 12 students. Find the share for one student and estimate to its nearest tens place. So already we have learnt in fifth problem. So the cost of one thing is given and we have to find the cost of many things. From one to many we have to multiply. So here there are many peanuts. How many peanuts are there? 132 peanuts. So shared equally. So sharing equally is nothing but dividing and giving them. So here we have to divide. Okay. Total number of candies are there. If we divide it equally to 12 students, so how many number of candies will each student get? So that is the question here, and we have to divide it. So 132 divided by 12. So if you divide 132, so 1 doesn't go, we have to take 13 one time. 1 12 are 12, and if we subtract it, again 1, bring it here, again goes for one time. So each student get the share of each student. The is equal to 11. The share of one student. Share of one student is equal to 11 peanut candies. How many peanut candies does each student get? 11. So this is the actual value. Actual value is 11. So now we are going to find the estimated value. So what is the estimated value? If you see here, it is 1. If it is 1, we have to go backward. 11. What is the number before 11? It is 10. So we are rounding it off to 10. So each student get 10 in estimated value. In actual value, they get 11 peanut candies. So this is how we should solve the problem. We have to notice whether it is sum or difference or one to many or equally sharing. If it is equally sharing, we have to divide. If they have given the cost of one thing and to find many, we have to multiply. Whereas if it is sum, we have to find the total value. If it is difference, we have to subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. Thank you.